Hi friends, this is Vijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video, I'll cover the creation of bills of materials, BOM. Before that, first of all, I need to create uh, a few materials in order to create the BOM. Let me tell you the concept of BOM. BOM means the collection of materials. Say for an example, we do create computers, we do create smartphones, but for creating them we need few other materials as well. Like for computer we require motherboard, we require RAM, we require CPU, we require monitor. So monitor, CPU, motherboard, RAMs, they are collectively known as computer, and this collection means the collective, as these are collectively forms are forming a material. This concept is known as bills of materials. So here I have created few materials. I'll show you. /n mm03. By the time you all know how to create material master, now I'll be displaying few materials. Now here in this video I'll give you an example of creating smartphone. Means there may be a few materials required in order to create the smartphone, and say camera lens, say plastic sheets, say memory chips, and the box. They are combined together and they form a smartphone. So once they are we are um, combining them, this process is known as this master data. Means this process of creating the master data is known as bills of materials. Means one single smartphone is the combination of few materials. These are plastic sheets, box, um, camera lens, um, mm, charger, or headphones. These are combinedly known as the smartphone, and the combination being created in the system is termed as the bills of materials. So this is the concept of BOM. Now I'll be showing you how did I created those materials. Smartphone is my material. So this is the material master. I'm going to display the same, choosing all the data and giving the relevant organization levels. ABC is my sales organization, distribution channel, ABC, AB going inside. Yes, this is the master data. Basic data is been shown here. Now in basic data sales organization, there are nothing as such important. I'll straight away go to the accounting. See here the valuation class 7920 is given, and the 7920 stands for the finished product. So smartphone is a finished product, and this is opening up, and there is no value at all because I have not costed it yet. I have not uploaded the price yet. I am only creating the master data, and once I'll complete the bills of materials creation, then only I'll start processing the same, and thus the cost will be calculated accordingly step by step. So 7920 stands for the finished product. I'm opening it up. It will be shown shortly. Yes, 7920 stands for finished product. It has been shown now. And AS means standard price. Going to accounting 2, there is nothing as such. Going to costing 1, see it is with quantity structure, and that is absolutely fine. And with quantity structure is relevant with BOM. Why is because see BOM will be created at a ratio, and that will be shown once I'll be creating the BOM. So once I'll cost this material, means the header material, that means the smartphone, then all the subordinate materials like memory chips, like charger, like camera lens, they all will be costed, and those will be structured like the mother material would be the smartphone, and below that the subordinate materials will be the others. So that will be followed by a structure, hence the costing must be with quantity structure, and that is why it is ticked on. So this is the significance of the quantity structure. Costing 2, there is nothing as such, and again it is like accounting 1 tab, as the valuation class is given as finished product, and nothing as such. So that is how the other materials are created as well, like uh, going inside, there are many which has got created, giving my plant. Okay, leave it. Plastic sheets are also been created. Plant, I'm giving the plant, and I'm not giving any uh, accounting 1, accounting 2. Yes, the same plastic sheet is also been created with the same parameters like finished product and the standard price and etc. So I have created smartphone, plastic sheet, camera lens. Now I'll be creating one more material, and that is the charger. In order to create a smartphone, you need to add the charger in the box as well. So I'm creating the charger material. Okay, I'm in display mode. I have to go to mm01, picking up the charger, creating the charger. I'll be taking all of them, and no, please note this point, in the copy form I have given the smartphone, as I'm getting this charger material copied from the smartphone material. uh, Plant ABC, storage location ABC, sales org ABC, and distribution channel would be AB, and copying from ABC only. ABC, 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 AB. Going inside, basic data would be same like others. See here, base unit is given, that is EA, means each. Yes, and it must be each. Why? Is because one charger would be given in one box of a smartphone. So per smartphone means it would be the costed as per the piece. Hence, each would be the correct unit to use. Basic data 2, there is nothing to be given as such. Going to sales org 1, here see the unit of measure given, material group given, and the tax relevant, all the tax information is also given. Going to sales org 2, nothing as such. Availability check is given, loading, transport, these are also given. Going to accounting 1 straight away. 7920 finished product also given, which is perfect. And going to accounting 2, nothing to be given. Costing 1 is given, as I have mentioned earlier, with quantity structure is ticked on. I have told you the I have given you the explanation. Valuation class, price control also given. So I'm saving this one. Yes, material charger saved. Fine, then all my materials are created now. Now I'll be going to create the BOM. So in order to create the BOM, we need to use the transaction CS01. Going inside the same, my header material would be smartphone. So ART phone. BOM uses would be 1, and valid from would be current date. Going inside, going inside. Now I'll be giving all the components, and here the item category would be N. N. Non-stock item. We are not stocking them. So first of all would be the camera lens, then plastic sheets, then charger, then memory chip. Item category would be N. Quantity would be in a smartphone, two camera. If it is a dual camera, then two camera lenses required. Let me assume that my smartphone is dual camera one, so I'll be picking up two quantity of camera lens. Plastic sheet, there is one in basically now in front on Gorilla Glass are given, so plastic sheet is only required in the back. So I'm taking one plastic sheet, charger one. In order to create one smartphone, one charger is required, and memory chip one. So this is how my ratio would be. Entering. Okay, I think it is memory chips. Yes. So see, I only have given the name of the materials and the description has automatically come up. I have given the quantity and unit from the material master has come up. So that is what in document it is automatically populated in general. Let me show you. These are all automatically populated as I have entered the parameter in the material tab, so I'm saving this one. There is nothing to be given as such. So this is the ratio which I was telling earlier. So ratio means one smartphone is to BOM created for the material smartphone. Okay, perfectly fine. Now going to display. Yes, displaying the same. Yes, displayed. So yes, what I was telling you about is the ratio. Yeah. So in BOM master, it is nothing but the ratio in order to produce one single material. So one single finished product, that is the smartphone, uh, is to be produced by by all these finished product. Means one single, in order to produce a single finished product, that is smartphone, we require two camera lens, one plastic sheet, one charger, and one memory chip. So this is the proportion which is being defined in BOM. So BOM is nothing but a proportion being defined in order to produce a single material. So in order to produce a single finished product, we require these four finished product, and these four finished product would be these four finished product would be like quantity would be different for each finished product. I mean, different or same, that would be depend upon the business requirement. So as per the business requirement, the quantity ratio would be given. So that is what the concept of BOM is. So I hope this much is very clear to you. If it is not, then please put your queries in the comment section, and I would be posting a few more videos related to this in next few days. So till then, keep watching the channel. Bye. Thank you. Take care.